This video will cover the uploading of factory presets. In order to upload the factory presets, first verify the model number of your CVap unit. The model number is located on the serial tag on the upper right side of the cabinet. Visit winstonfoodservice.com to obtain the most current factory preset file for your model. Please note that restoring factory presets will remove any previous programming modifications that have been made. Locate Support in the upper menu. From the drop-down, select Firmware and Preset. Select Factory Preset. Locate your model number on the factory preset list and click on the arrow. Click on the correct version to start the download. Click Open on the Download toolbar. Verify that your USB drive is ready to upload by checking that the USB is formatted to FAT or FAT32, which is standard formatting for most USB drives. Make sure there are no other XML files on the drive and that the drive is smaller than 4 GB. Transfer the file to the USB drive. Remove the USB from your computer. Insert the USB into the Winston CVap USB port. Using the dial pad, scroll clockwise to USB and then press Enter. Scroll the dial pad clockwise to Upload Presets and then press Enter. If the control displays no drive detected, remove the USB, reboot the cabinet, and start over. The control should display Overwrite Current Settings, then press Enter. Control will display New Settings Loaded. You can use the View Channel settings to verify that each channel is programmed correctly.